Okay, so let's start this section. Retrieve the body of the text field. In this section, we learn how to retrieve the body of text form field. Later, we will send this body to backend when submitting form. So this is a corresponding official document. Retrieve the body of the text field. So let's get started. So go back my document. 1. Create a text editing controller. As described in docs, we'll create a controller and dispose. So this is a corresponding document. To retrieve the text, a user has entered into a text field, create text editing controller, and supply it to text field or text form field. So first we need to create a text controller here and use it to retrieve the current value of text field. So let's do the same thing. Go back to my document. Please copy this controller. So we need 4 controller to each text form field. So open editor and under global key, paste this code and save this. And let's go back to official document. So we also need to add to dispose for clean up controller when the widget is disposed. So let's do the same things. So copy these lines and open editor. Under the build method, above the build method, we need to paste this dispose method. Okay, suffix indent. Dispose is lifecycle method of Flutter. This is my comment. So check this Stack Overflow link. So you see this is a Flutter lifecycle method. Build is here and dispose is here. Okay, so go back to code. This is the same comment. The purpose of calling dispose is preventing memory leaks. You can check this Stack Overflow links. So this is okay. So go back to my document. So this is the finish of number 1. So let's go to number 2. Okay, number 2, supply the text editing controller to a text field. As described in docs, we will connect controller to a text field. So this is the link. So let's check the links. This is just doing this. Okay. So please copy this name controller to name text form field. So like this. And next, email controller to email text form field. Okay. So next, password controller to password text form field. Save this. And last one, confirm password controller to confirm password field. Okay. So this is the finish of number 2. So let's go number 3. Okay, so step number 3, display the current value of text field. You can display controller value like this. So please copy these lines and open editor, and inside here, container, raise the button on press. Please paste these codes. And save this. So let's check this. Go to register page and put value. We need to pass validate, so please enter valid email. So please click register and check console. Okay, so this is working correctly. The corresponding official document of this part is this one. So this, like this, my controller.txt. Okay, so this is a finish of number 3. So let's go number 4. Okay, so let's start number 4, fix confirm password validation. So first, please copy these lines and open editor. So please find the confirm password text field and paste this validator method and the existing validator method. So first validator is just checking the text field is not empty, is empty. If it's empty, it's return error message. But this is useless, so delete these lines. And the new one is checking the value is the same of password controller.txt. Password controller.txt is this password form field value. So if it's not matched, it's return error message, password is not matching. This code is based on this Stack Overflow link question. Okay, so this is a finish of number 4. And this is a finish of retrieve the value of text field. So in the next section, let's add Firebase Auth.